Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Venmo account, helping to protect your personal information and transactions. Follow these steps to enable this feature. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the icon in the upper left corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Security option. This section contains various security features for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the two-factor authentication option and toggle it on. You may be prompted to enter your password to confirm the change. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving verification codes, such as via SMS or an authenticator app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your Venmo account, enhancing your security. Always remember to keep your verification method secure.